Welcome, in front of me is a SONY Xperia 1 second version, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card on the device. So to get started, let's open up settings, and from here scroll to storage, and you should see your SD card right here. Tap on it, we'll take you to storage. Choose the menu button right here and go to storage settings, where you'll have the format option. Select it, format SD card. Now before you proceed with it, keep in mind that this will remove all the data from the SD card, so if there's anything that you'd like to keep, you might want to back it up before, otherwise you will lose it. But assuming you have done it, or well, you don't care, format SD card, and the process begins. It's a fairly quick one. And once it's finished, which it should be right about now, there we go, tap on done, and you're finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.